it's me Maya again. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, and today I have a 2-in-1 video.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Anyways, in the first half I have a Firmoo sunglasses review. These are not it, these are my glasses, but I'll show you them in a bit. And you don't want to skip through that because I have a really good promo code for you guys, and it involves you getting free glasses. Like, what? Okay, I'm talking way too fast. I had to redo this intro like so many times because I would rewatch it and then realize how fast I'm talking. Like, there's no spaces in between the words, so I'm gonna talk slower. Sorry, everybody. Anyways, in the second half of the video, I am going to be filming I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this summer healthy drink, and I basically drank it all while I was trying to get this intro right, but it's super good and super healthy, and it's really, really good. I already said that, but you know. Oh, sorry, I'm like disgusting. I'm just feeling kind of sad right now. Like, I was gonna make this video like such a nice summer vibe. Like, I was gonna film in golden hour and just, you know, film this outside, but nothing works out for me ever. So turns out today is only 5 degrees and it's raining, so yay. Ew, stop. So yeah, I'm sorry about the inconvenience. So I'm sorry about this disgusting lighting, but it's as good as it's gonna get, I guess. And like, why does my face look so bare? Like, I look like a child. Well, I am a child, but anyways, I'm sorry, I'm always rambling. So let's just like hop right into this video. Ew, what was that? So now starting off with the Firmoo review. So Firmoo is an online glasses store that sells so many variety of glasses and sunglasses. And you can get them prescripted and non-prescripted. And the best part is the price, because the price is super low price, but the quality is very high. So this is, I believe, my 4th or 5th Firmoo review. So this time I decided to get sunglasses, because my other ones were all glasses, including these, because these are from Firmoo. I can't remember if I said that or not. But these are the sunglasses I got, and they're not regular sunglasses. They're actually prescriptive sunglasses. So I've always had the struggle where you either can't see because the sun is so bright, or you can't see because your glasses don't have prescription in them. So now these pair of glasses can tackle both struggles. So they're prescripted and they're really, really high quality and really nice. Here, I'm gonna switch it off, and I really like them, and I can actually like see so clearly, and the prescription is perfect. And like, I'm looking at the sun right now. By the way, guys, the sun came out. Like, I don't even know, like there's someone up there listening to me. So yeah, I'm looking at the sun and I feel okay. Like, keep saying and sorry. So they're really, really nice. So the promo code I have for you guys, which will be linked down below, is your first pair of glasses from Firmoo. Sorry, I'm like stumbling upon my words. First pair of Firmoo glasses will be free, absolutely free. The only thing you have to pay is shipping and handling. So yeah, I find that super amazing. There's so many glasses to choose from, so I recommend taking advantage of this promo code, because if you like to take pictures with like round glasses, but you don't want to like spend so much money just for like a picture, then I recommend this. Or like, if you want to try new styles on your face, then this would be a really great fit for you. And even if you don't have glasses, you could get them non-prescripted as well. So thank you guys so much for listening, and thank you so much, Firmoo, for sending me these sunglasses. I'll definitely be using them in the summer. And speaking of summer, I'm going to be doing Japan vlogs. So while I'm vlogging during the summer, I'll probably be using these sunglasses. So yeah, thank you guys so much for listening, and thank you so much, Firmoo. So let's move on to the rest of the video. Alright guys, we're kind of changing up here. As you can see, we're in a different angle. That's my window I film in front of. That's my Mandela, but I'm just so tired, so I'm laying on my bed. I'm kind of copying Emma Chamberlain, because in her recent video she was just lying on her bed filming her video, but I feel like that should be the new YouTube. Yeah, you guys don't even have to point out I am copying Emma Chamberlain, because she is a smart woman. She is smart, and I wish I could be you, Emma Chamberlain, but you know, you'll probably never ever see this. So I'm just gonna explain how to make that summer healthy-ish drink, and some why can't I talk? I'll add some visuals, and I hope you guys can bear with me. I know this isn't usually like the formal YouTuber or whatever, but you know, just pretend you're just talking to me, even though no one wants to do that. So okay, let's, oh, the sun, let's go. All right. That is bright. You see that highlight? Anyways, all right, let's begin. So first things first, I'm using my soda stream to make some carbonated water. You don't have to do this, but I recommend it because it adds that extra like pizzazz, you know? So you're gonna make some sparkling water. Just keep going. Okay, so next we're going to add in any fruit or vegetable that you like. I added some strawberries, blackberries, lemon, and some oranges. So you can also add any vegetables such as who am I? You got things like cucumbers, and it could be like a detox drink or whatever. So you can let it sit for a bit so it infuses, and if you use like bubbly water, the fruit kind of becomes bubbly, which is super weird, but it's super fun to eat. So yeah, you can use that as part of your flavoring. It also looks super cute in your drink. So you're gonna add some fruits and lastly, you can flavor if you like. You can add some like sweeteners if you want. But this part's also very optional. I added some like lemon lime like flavoring that that you can use with like your soda stream. But you can also add like honey or sugar if you like, or you can just skip it. Yeah, so then you are done and your summer drink is ready to go. This is super cute if you want to take photos. And it's really, really good. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe down below or to the side, whatever it is on your computer or phone or whatever. And comment down below when your summer vacation begins. Mine is like in a month, which is crazy. But I have to get through a whole bunch of PATs. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much, Firmoo, for sending me those sunglasses and partnering with me again. And don't forget to check out the link down below to get your free pair of glasses. I'll have all the information for Firmoo, like, oh my god, I struggle with talking, you know, English is hard, like, so I'll have all the information linked down below. Make sure you guys go check it out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.